I'm walking down the street in my Kurt Geiger bag. I said in my Kurt Geiger bag. Well, I'm in my bag, but I'm walking down the street with my Kurt Geiger bag, okay? You guys, it is me, Diva TT, and I am back with another video, you guys. And today this is gonna be a purse review, okay? Like a quick, not even unboxing, because I already unboxed my purse and it's really nothing to unbox, but I guess you can call it an unboxing and a little review, my opinions on this purse. And I like to do these on my channel because I just love purses and I like to show y'all purses. So if I get purses or like something, I'm gonna show you guys what it is and maybe you will like it, and then you can go and do your thing, do your thing. Nobody sent me this. This was a Christmas gift, but I still wanted to show you guys my Christmas gift on this channel because it's super, super cute. And I just like showing y'all girly cute things when I can. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, but before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. You guys join me, Tiffany, and the family. Okay, join me, okay? That means hit that notification bell, subscribe to the channel so you know that whenever I upload a video. Okay, you just never know what I'm gonna post. You just never know what I'm gonna post, okay? Because I like to introduce new things on the channel as well, but I kind of like doing a whole variety of things. But anyway, we're gonna talk about this purse today. But make sure you guys are following me on social media. So wherever social media is, social media-ing, okay? I'll be talking too fast. So anyway, yes, wherever social media is, social media-ing. You guys can find me at DIVATEE, that's Diva TT, on everything, Twitter, TikTok, Lemonade, and all, where, like I said, wherever social media is, social media-ing. Okay, I probably said that twice, but don't worry about that, okay? So anyway, let's just get into the quick purse review. Okay, so let me just show you the purse bag. This is the purse bag that it comes in. This is how I received it as well. It was in a nice gift box. So it's really, really cute. What does it say? It says, design is what we do, kindness is what we are. Okay, that's nice. Design is what we do. Design is what we do. Kindness is what we are. Okay, it's like, this purse is cute. You know, I didn't told y'all I love big purses, but this purse is just a cute fashion purse. Okay, so this purse is so cute, and it really looks cute. I mean, I can wear this with what I got on now. It's just so cute. And I love a purse bag. Okay, we need a purse bag. If the purse ain't got no bag to put it in, I don't want it. Got to have a bag. No, I'm gonna want the purse probably, but I need a purse bag. So look at how pretty, look at the details. And this is a Kurt Geiger purse, my first Kurt Geiger purse. So it's so cute. I like the pattern. Hopefully you guys can see those colors. Hopefully they showing up. This purse is so cute, and it's a smaller purse than what I usually wear, but I mean, you need really every size purse in your purse collection, okay? So yes, look at it, got like a little bird on there. I just hope y'all can see that. You see the detail. It's like a bird, his little beak, a blinged out bird, and it's like, I want to say it's like a rainbow colored purse, like a rainbow colored purse kind of. And I love these chains. The chains are super cute, and they are movable, so they're moving right now. So you gotta line them up. Let me see. There it is. So you got that. And it does have these on top, like handles. So when you put it on your shoulder, it's not, let me close it. It's not just, you know, the chains ain't just on your shoulder. You got something that lays flush on your shoulder when you want to wear it like this, or if you want to wear it here, okay? So that is super cute. I love about the purse. I don't know if it has a longer, you know, strap or chain strap, but let's just see what's inside. Like, I still got the tissue inside. So it's pink on the inside, and I just love the colors. It's like, what is that? Is it pink or purple? Pink or purple? Purple? I'm not sure. Okay, but this is how the inside looks. So I'm gonna take the stuffing out. And then this is the Kurt Geiger tag. Now I'm not sure how much it values at. Let me find out how much the purse values at. So this purse values at $325, y'all. Kurt Geiger is a little, it's reasonable for a designer, but it's kind of, you know, it's a nice price. So $325 for this size of a purse. And what you get for that, you look at the inside. So you got a pocket right here. It's pretty, it's nice. It's a nice deep pocket. And then you have this side over here. Did I take out the, okay, so there we got the stuffing right there, look. So that's the second side. And then I think it has another side pocket where you can like sit a phone or something. So in these kind, it's called, it says the Kensington. So this purse, I guess, is called the Kensington. So that's really, really cute. I hope y'all got that. So yes, you have some compartments in here. You have some compartments in here. I have not worn this purse, so that's why the tag is still on it. I literally took it back out my gift box, but I wanted to show it to you guys. And you can buy Kurt Geiger in Nordstrom, and they also have Kurt Geiger stores. So this is just really, really cute, and I definitely wanted to review it on my channel before I bust it out and start wearing it, and then it get all, you know, cray-cray, because I'm gonna start wearing it. But I'm not gonna be weighing this purse down. I'm gonna be putting my lip gloss in there, like my compact makeup, not a lot of makeup, but like my, you know, the compact for your powder, like your cell phone, you know, just the little basics, okay? And I'm gonna keep my big purse for, you know, my bigger stuff when I want to wear a big old purse. But then this one is just gonna be my bust down purse, meaning like I'm busting down what was in that big purse. Okay, we ain't taking all that junk. I'm not putting the kitchen sink in this purse. This purse is for fashion only, okay? I am gonna show you guys. It is cute. It is really, really cute. Okay, and they have these in all kind of designs. You just gotta look up Kurt Geiger. I just love this. So cute. Okay, and I love the blinged out medallion bird face, if you want to call it that. Really, really cute. And I think the purse is called the Kensington. Okay, so yes guys, I did want to this is just a quick little review on this one, and I'm about to show you guys how it look on me and how you can wear it. I have a cute dress on right now, so I'm feeling, you know, cute. So you know, and you can wear, I mean, this gold goes with this dress, you know what I'm saying? You can wear whatever you want because this dress is plain, so I can wear whatever kind of purse I want to throw on together with this purse. Okay, so give me 1 second and I'm gonna show you guys how the purse looks on me. Okay, hey guys, all right y'all, so this is the purse. I'm walking down the street in my Kurt Geiger bag. Okay, this is how it looks. Y'all, I'm walking down the street with my Kurt Geiger bag. Looking good, looking good, looking great. Okay, I'm gone. Hold on, let me put my purse on. Oh, so them this is the purse. This is how it'll look with an outfit, y'all. Okay, you're gonna look cute. It's not too big, so if anybody watches me and you be going to the club or the lounge, this kind of purse is perfect. Going to the club with the last guys. So yes, this is the purse. Super cute. I just wanted to show you guys this cute Kurt Geiger. I'm walking down the street in my Kurt Geiger bag. I said in my Kurt Geiger bag. Well, I'm in my bag, but I'm walking down the street with my Kurt Geiger bag. Okay. Yeah, so just wanted to be showing you guys. Okay, so this is the end of this video. I hope you guys liked the video. It kind of folds up here too, so that's more details. Kind of folds up there, look like a little envelope. Just like a little envelope purse. That's what it kind of, you know, a little envelope purse. Super cute. Okay guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Okay, so we about to put Kurt back in it's her purse bag, because she going in the purse bag until I pull her out. So this is the purse bag and it has drawstrings. Yes. Bye y'all. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. Peace.